Hey friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this easy Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to add more box shapes in SmartArt quickly and professionally. SmartArt is perfect for creating organizational chart, process diagrams, flowcharts and structured presentations. If you want to expand your SmartArt design with additional boxes and keep everything perfectly aligned, this video is for you. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. Now you can see here this document is assignment. Now I am go some down and go to the insert menu, click the SmartArt option. Then we can see here this SmartArt is alternate hexagons. Click this and click OK. Now I want to add the box to this SmartArt. Click the SmartArt, go to the design menu, and we can see here the right and left. You can right and left this, and here the add shape. Click this add shape option and we can see automatically add the shape to this SmartArt. Now we can see we add shape to SmartArt very easily. You can change the color, click this color option and change this color. Now you can apply the same process to another SmartArt. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.